Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making yam porridge on a budget. So let's start with some onions. Let's start with some onions. And this is just a lineup of some of the ingredients that I used. And I fried the onions in red palm oil. Then I'm adding the grounded crayfish here. And of course I had to add the pepper. And I'm adding some seasoning cubes. Yes, just be careful with the seasoning, like make sure you don't do too much because you don't want it to be too salty, right? Then of course I added some curry powder to the mixture, and I'm adding some thyme here, and lastly I'm adding salt. So I had to use a spoon to mix the pepper very well so that the seasoning can get everywhere. And of course I had to leave the mixture to cook for some time. So this is just me closing the pot to allow it to cook for some time. And then after a while, like let's say 15 minutes, or was it 10 minutes? Let's say 10 minutes. I added the washed yam slices. Yes, I washed it very well. Okay, so I noticed that that there was a need to add water, of course, and I added the water. And then this is just mixing the pepper. You can see that I'm using a wooden spatula at this point and not a metal spoon anymore because I want to prevent the porridge from burning. I tried to crush the yam at this point and I noticed that it was still out, so I had to wait for some more time. Then at this point it was ready to crush. Then I'm just going about crushing every bit of it because I actually prefer a lot of paste in my porridge. So this is the finished product. And I had to just add some onions, even though I didn't have much left, but then I just had to add some. So I think we are done here. This is the porridge. It was very nice. I won't lie, it was very nice. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Thank you.